In this video, I'll show you how to stream on Pump.fun. It's going to be a full guide video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So go to your Pump.fun. Make sure it's currently connected to your Phantom wallet, and make sure you have some Sol here on your Pump.fun. Like, make sure you have some Sol on your Phantom wallet so as can be able to create a coin. You can't go live on Pump.fun if you don't have a token created. So click on this create coin option. You're going to be able to add the coin name, add the ticker, add the description, add all these required details. Click on this create coin. Once you have created a coin, you're going to be able to get the live stream option. You can be able to go live, or you can be able to stream on Pump.fun. I created a token for this. So this is the token. This is the token testing. So this is how it's going to come out. So you're going to be able to see the start live stream option here. So I'm going to cover my camera now. So if you click on this start live stream, you're going to be able to get the access where you can be able to live stream here on Pump.fun. So you can see here it's currently not live. It's not live now. So if I scroll to the end, and once I click on I agree, I'm going to be able to go live. I'm going to be able to stream here on my Pump.fun. So if I click on this now, so if you do this from your own end, if you click on the I agree, you're going to be able to go live here on Pump.fun. You can be able to stream here on Pump.fun. You can be able to share your projects with your friends and your family once you want to go live here on Pump.fun. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.